The cat says they can smell the fish. They can chase the mouse. The dog says the dogs are so cunning, they can catch the thief. The cow says the cows are so generous, they give us a milk. The goat says the goats are so hungry, they eat all the leaves. The sheep says the sheep are so furry, they give us the wool. The horse says the horses are so powerful, they can run so fast. The cock says the cock wake up early, they make all awake. The duck says the ducks are so charming, they swim in the lake. Goat, horse, cock, dog, duck, sheep, cat, cow.